So in yesterday's class, we have finished simple microscope, and I think we got this formula, right? So this is half part of yesterday's class, we can say. So this class is part of simple microscope. Yes, that is yesterday's class. Already we have learned this. And magnification m is equal to, we got D by UE. Yes, till here we have finished. Okay, right. Now case 1 we have to start. What is the case 1? Pen image formed, pen image formed at least distance of distinct feature, that is LDDV. Okay, when image is formed at least distance of distinct feature. Now see, 1 by f is equal to what formula? 1 by v minus 1 by u. Now we have only one lens in the simple microscope, that's why I'm taking its focal length as fe is equal to 1 by minus d. Why minus d? Because image is getting formed at least distance of distinct vision, that's why v is equal to minus d, minus 1 by u. Okay, and that is also minus because image is behind the object, that's why image distance is also negative, and this is also negative only, both are negative. So if you will do this, what you will get? 1 by minus d plus 1 by ue is equal to 1 by f. Okay, now what to do? Just transfer this 1 by d this side, so you will get 1 by fe plus 1 by d, and this is equal to 1 by ue. Now throughout, if I will multiply with d, multiplying throughout by d, what happens? Multiplying by d throughout, so you will get d by fe plus d by d is equal to d by ue. Yes, no? What I did, just I have multiplied throughout by d. Now this d by ue already we know m, so shall I write this side as a m, and this is d by d is 1, this is plus, this is d by fe, and therefore here magnification is equal to 1 plus d by fe. So in this case, magnification produced is how much? 1 plus d by fe, when image is getting formed at 25 centimeter, that is least distance of distinct vision. Understood? This is what your case number 1. Any doubt, please ask. Clear? Hai? Do it fast. Yes, everyone finished? Right. So let's go to the next page. Yes. Yes, Aditya. We will make one telescope in our lab also. Just wait. I will tell you that part also later. Okay. Finished? In the telescopes, I will tell you that, not in the microscope. This is very simple now. Just one convex lens, simple microscope. You just magnifying lens if you will bring now. Okay. Magnifying lens is nothing but simple microscope. That's it. Easily available in the market. Yes, finished. Okay, let's go to the next page. And now, case number 2. Case number 2. That is when image is formed when final image is formed at infinity. When final image is formed at infinity. Now, here you can see, if I will use again formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Okay. So now this is 1 by infinity minus 1 by, this is what? Minus ue. Taken it. Right. And this is what? 1 by f. So 1 by fe is equal to, this is 1 by infinity bhopla 0. 0 plus 1 by ue means how much? 1 by ue only. And that implies here fe is equal to ue. This is common thing. When object is placed at focus, image will form at infinity. Yes or not? That is what we are using here. fe is equal to ue. Now let's find out magnification. What you will get magnification? M is equal to d by ue formula. Yes, and therefore m is equal to d by fe. This is what magnification in this case. Is that clear? Understood? Any doubt? Okay. Shall I go to the next page? Yes. Okay. Note down. And one more case I am taking here. Note point. Note point. If lens is kept, if lens is kept at a distance a, at a distance a, at a distance a from the eye, from the eye, then G is replaced by D minus A, and therefore magnification at distance D is equal to 1 plus D minus A by F. Okay, that is at LDDV. Okay, at D means at LDDV. At LDDV. LDDV means least distance of distinct vision. And magnification, if image is forming at infinity, then how much it is? Just D minus A by F. Image at infinity. Understand? Okay, same cases. They say 1 and 2 cases hai na? Image is formed at least distance of distinct vision. What is formula? 1 plus D by Fe. When image is formed at infinity, what is formula? D by Ue. Okay, that is D by Fe. Similarly, note point is what? If lens is kept at a distance A from the eye, means lens is here and eye is here, and in between distance is A, then whatever this D is there, that you should replace with D minus A in above two formulas. And that's why You got these two formulas to use when image is formed at least distance of distinct vision and at infinity. Got it? This is what the two cases in the node point. Clear? Yes. Do it fast. Shall I go to the next page? Yes. Now the next instrument we can say that is compound microscope. What is that? Second one, compound microscope. First, I am drawing the diagram. Listen carefully. This is a lens. Because this compound microscope consists of two lenses, not only one. Okay. It consists of two lenses. One is objective lens, another is eyepiece. The eyepiece is having more focal length. Objective is having less focal length. You can see here radius of curvature of this eyepiece is more as compared with the objective lens. The objective lens, why we are calling it as an objective lens? Because it is placed near to the object, and the lens which is near to the eye, that is called eyepiece. Okay, and objective means near to the object. Eyepiece means what? Near to the eye. Okay, now see here where I am keeping. Now here this is f naught. F naught means for objective lens, focus of objective lens. Okay, and now I am keeping object here beyond f naught. So where I am getting image, you see this ray is like this, and I am getting somewhere here its image. Okay, so somewhere here I am getting image. This is what? First image due to this lens. Which lens? Objective lens. Understood? Clear? Yes. So if this is A, this is B, I am writing here as a dash b dash. We know the first lens is providing inverted image. Yes. Now this image will behave as an object for this lens, and that's why what happens. See now how it is providing another image. So this is going through the optical center, okay, and one is going little bit parallel, and then it is entering into our eye, okay. If we'll elongate these two rays, this is what eye, okay, and this is what your image. Nice images, na diagrams. Sir, this much big diagrams are. Yes, no. Uh, so this is what the image, final image, which is formed due to this eyepiece. Okay, क्लियर है? ये जो दिख रहा है ना आपको, ये सबसे बड़ा इमेज, this is because of this one only. Okay. सब कुछ सही है? Yes. Now this is optical center for this eyepiece lens. This is optical center only for objective lens. Okay. And this is f naught. Already I told f naught here, and somewhere here is fe. Okay, fe means focus of this eyepiece. Fe, and this angle, कौन सा एंगल देखो, ये वाला, ये एंगल है बीटा. ये जो एंगल दिख रहा है ना, ये एंगल है बीटा. And one more angle I am taking by elongating this part till here, and this angle with this, because it is equal to same height now. whatever this object is there now equal to same height I am taking. Whatever this angle is there, this is your alpha. And now this point is because as it is equal to a b na, a dash b dash already there. I am giving here point as a double dash b double dash. You see here, this is equal height na. Can you see? This one equal to this object height. So that's why a double dash b double dash. Clear? Okay. And now what is left? A double dash. Okay, I'm giving b triple dash here. Okay, b triple dash. Here I will give b double dash because AB, A dash B dash and A double dash B double dash. These are the object, image 1, image 2. And this is just for my convenience. That's why triple dash. Okay. Now, see here. This is what object distance. So I am taking this as a U. Okay, only U. U lenge. Yes. And this one. This is the object distance for this eyepiece. That's why I'm taking it as a UE. Okay, UE. Object for eyepiece. ठीक है? Yes, object for eyepiece. चलेगा ना? Clear है? और इसको मैं लेता हूँ U naught ताकि objective, right? Okay. अब क्या बच गया देखो? And now this one, yes. You have to keep patience for this topic. This is the biggest diagram we can say in the physics. So this is D, and we can say this is what? PE, image distance for this eyepiece. And this already I told UE, object for this eyepiece. Next is what? Image for this. Now this image also we have to take. That is I am taking with which color? Green color. From here, optical center to ये जो image है ना, first image, due to this objective, that is P naught. Okay. So see, object is U naught. Objective के लिए this is object. For objective lens, this is object. This is its image. For this eyepiece, this is object, and this is its image. UE, VE, U naught, V naught. Very simple. No confusion. U naught, V naught. Objective lens के object and image. UE and VE. Object distance, image distance for eyepiece. Is that clear? Good. Now let's do it fast. Now we have one formula, that is magnification. We know magnification or what we can say, magnifying power, है ना? Magnifying power formula is what, रे? Tan beta divided by tan alpha. Call this equation number 1. So if angle is very, very small, then beta is nearly equal to tan of beta, and similarly alpha is nearly equal to tan of alpha, and therefore magnification m is equal to beta by alpha. So let's substitute that values. M is equal to, what is tan beta and tan alpha? Let's see. Tan beta and tan alpha, है ना? So you know this, right? So therefore tan beta by tan alpha, we have to substitute. So which triangle I am taking? See, in a triangle, listen carefully, in triangle A double dash B double dash OE, A double dash B double dash OE, ये वाला triangle. Can you see this? जिसमें बीटा है, tan बीटा है. So what you will get in this triangle? Tan beta is equal to opposite, means this. So A double dash B double dash divided by ये पूरा कितना होगा? P होगा क्या? OE A dash, है ना? OE A double dash, OE A double dash. You can see in the diagram. Now OE double dash is what? Minus D. So therefore A double dash बी डबल डैश डिवाइडेड बाय माइनस डी, है ना, ये माइनस डी, इसलिए माइनस डी सब्स्टिट्यूट किया। कॉल दिस इक्वेशन नंबर 2। ओके, सिमिलरली tan अल्फा, कौन सा ट्रायंगल लेंगे? इन ट्रायंगल, ध्यान से सुनो, इन ट्रायंगल ए डबल डैश बी ट्रिपल डैश ओ ई, ये स्मॉल एंगल जिसमें अल्फा है ना, tan ऑफ अल्फा, tan अल्फा इज इक्वल टू, tan अल्फा इज इक्वल टू क्या होगा? ए डबल डैश बी ट्रिपल डैश डिवाइडेड बाय ओ ई a double dash. So this is equal to a double dash b triple dash divided by, फिर से क्या आएगा? माइनस डी, है ना। कॉल दिस इक्वेशन नंबर 3। लेट्स सब्स्टिट्यूट नाउ हियर। लेट्स कम बैक टू द ग्रीन कलर। ओके, so m is equal to now माइनस, ये माइनस डी है ना, इसलिए माइनस इधर ले लिया ऊपर, a डबल डैश b डबल डैश डिवाइडेड बाय d टोटल डिवाइडेड बाय a डबल डैश b ट्रिपल डैश डिवाइडेड बाय, फिर से क्या आएगा? माइनस डी आएगा, है ना। तो अब देखो क्या क्या बचता है और क्या क्या नहीं बचता है। यस, व्हाट यू विल गेट, चेक इट वंस। दिस एंड दिस विल गेट कैंसल, so what is the next thing? m is equal to this d will get cancelled, and you are getting, this is a double dash b triple dash is equal to a by b na. So can I write like this, a double dash b double dash divided by a into b, ab, है कि नहीं? राइट है। दिस इज सेम लाइक माइनस v बाई u, है ना, माइनस v बाई u। ओके, क्लियर है? ये भी माइनस आना चाहिए, है कि नहीं? तो एक माइनस बचता है क्या? देखो, ये u माइनस v माइनस, इसके लिए आपको दो प्लस है, तो यहाँ पे माइनस साइन आना चाहिए और एक। क्यों बोले तो, फॉर दिस लेंस बोथ u एंड v इज नेगेटिव, फॉर दिस लेंस u इज नेगेटिव, v इज पॉजिटिव, अंडरस्टैंड? So you will get m is equal to minus a double dash b double dash divided by a dash b dash is nothing but ab only. Okay. Now what I am doing, multiplying and dividing by a dash b dash, multiplying and dividing by a dash b dash. So what you are getting here? See, I am getting this is equal to minus a double dash b double dash divided by a dash b dash into a dash b dash divided by ab। अब देखो, a डबल डैश b डबल डैश मतलब कौन सा? ये वाला, ये हाइट ऑफ द इमेज, हाइट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट, है ना, a डैश b डैश इनटू a डैश b डैश, ये डिवाइडेड बाय दिस आएगा। तो कैन आई राइट लाइक दिस, माइनस ऑफ p नॉट बाय u नॉट। चेक करो, p नॉट बाय u नॉट सही है क्या? और b नॉट बाय u भी आना चाहिए। a डैश b डैश कहाँ पे है? a डैश b डैश कहाँ पे है? देखो, a डैश b डैश, a डबल डैश b डबल डैश, दैट इज v नॉट। v नॉट है क्या? ve है ना, वो तो ve है। यस, तो आपको क्या आएगा? देखो, मैं यहाँ पे v लिख दूं, एक मिनट रुको, आई शुड राइट v, है ना। यस, देखो एक बार, a डबल डैश b डबल डैश कहाँ पे है? a डबल डैश b डबल डैश, तो ये क्या है? ve है, ve, तो ये ve डिवाइडेड बाय a dash b dash कहाँ पे? a dash b dash here, that is ue, so shall I write ue? okay, into a dash b dash, a dash b dash किधर है? ये वाला a dash b dash फिर से क्या है? देखो, a dash b dash क्या है? ue है ना। नहीं तो इसके लिए क्या होगा? ऑब्जेक्टिव के लिए, इसके लिए क्या है? वो po है ना। तो po लिख दूं, po ऑब्जेक्टिव के लिए, a dash b dash फ्रॉम दिस, या तो फिर ये जो हाइट दिख रहा है आपको, ये a डैश b डैश हाइट है ना, नॉट दिस डिस्टेंस, तो हम क्या करेंगे, एक मिनट रुको, ये यहां तक आ गया ना, एक काम करेंगे, माइनस ए डबल डैश बी डबल डैश बाई ए डैश बी डैश आ गया, तो मैं एच आई बाई एच नॉट का फॉर्मूला है ना अपने पास, उससे करेंगे। ये देखो यम इज इक्वल टू क्या है फॉर्मूला, पी बाई यू इज इक्वल टू एच आई बाई एच नॉट, है कि नहीं, ये फॉर्मूला मालूम है ना आपको। तो अब यहाँ पे अगर ये एच आई है और एच नॉट है, तो क्या मैं इसको ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ, माइनस पी नॉट बाई यू नॉट, ये तो, और ये क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस ये हो जाएगा वीई बाई यू ई इंटू ये हो जाएगा वी नॉट बाई यू नॉट, तो ये हो जाएगा माइनस ऑफ मैग्निफिकेशन बिकॉज ऑफ आई पीस इंटू मैग्निफिकेशन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस, दैट्स इट। तो नेट जो मैग्निफिकेशन है वो क्या आ जाएगा आपको, यम इज इक्वल टू माइनस ऑफ यम ई इंटू यम नॉट, है ना, मैग्निफिकेशन ऑफ आई पीस इंटू मैग्निफिकेशन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस, ऐसे, क्लियर। यस यस, अब देखो, ठीक है, और कोई डाउट, just take it later please, just two cases we have to finish. Shall I go to the next page? Yes. So now you got this magnification formula, and therefore what is the formula final, minus m is equal to minus p naught by u naught into ve by ue, that is equal to minus p naught by u naught into d by ue. This formula you keep it in mind, and this is also equal to minus me into m naught. So this is common formula for magnification due to the compound microscope. This you don't forget, right? Now let's go to the next one, that is case 1. As usual, we have to finish this compound microscope, otherwise in next class again it is half part. Case 1, that is when image is formed at least distance of distinct vision at LD dV. So again you see 1 by Fe, direct I am using 1 by Fe is equal to 1 by minus D minus of 1 by minus UE. So therefore 1 by Fe plus 1 by D is equal to 1 by UE. And if I will multiply with D, then again D by Fe plus 1 is equal to D by UE. Okay. Just what I did, just multiplied by D, same like previous one. So what I am getting, let's see. So this is D by UE now. So equation, this is 5 suppose, in equation 5 or whatever the equation. How many equations we got, right? No equation, we have not given any equation. Okay, substituting in above, 3 or 4. 1, 2, 3 is there. This is 4. And let us suppose this is 5. Okay. Now in this D by U, you substitute here. So what you are getting, magnification minus P naught by U naught into 1 plus D by F. This is what magnification formula when image is forming at least distance of distinct feature. Nothing else. See here, D by U is there now. At this place, I have placed just this 1 plus F, D by Fe. You will get this magnification formula. Next case, fast I am taking. Case number 2, even you can watch it later. Okay, case 2, when image formed at infinity, when image formed at infinity, this is second case, then you know UE is equal to Fe, and then M is equal to just minus P naught by U naught into D by F. Simple, same like previous one, just 1 plus D by F is there now. If you will substitute here infinite, it will become 0. You know this already, I showed in the simple microscope. Same like that, only you substitute. you will get magnification is equal to minus P naught by U naught into D by Fe. And now length of tube, last topic, that is length of tube. Length of tube means length of tube is equal to what? Distance between two lenses. Distance between two lenses. Okay, if you will see here, what is the length of tube here? P naught plus Fe. In this second case, okay, P naught plus Fe. And in the first case, with yellow color I am writing length of tube is equal to here P naught plus UV, and only take magnitude, no sign. Otherwise you will subtract, means that is a very different thing. If you will see this page, you see here this distance, complete distance from here to here. Whatever this distance is there, this distance is what called as length of tube. What is that? Length of tube. Understood? From here, this optical center to this optical center. Is that clear? एक बार देखो. This is what compound microscope, biggest part we can say of this ray optics. Just you see one more time, you will understand everything. Okay. Length of tube means the distance between the two lenses, and just magnification in both cases. Tan beta, tan alpha. Once you understand, everything is very, very easy. Very easy. For first lens, what is object, what is image? For second lens, what is object, what is lens? And like that, you have to just derive. That's it. Nothing else. Very simple. One more time, you just go through it. Okay. Now telescopes are left. Telescopes we will finish tomorrow. Okay. This is what microscopes. We are almost towards end of the chapter. Okay. Clear?